Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this Rolex Certified Pre-Owned watch, reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions. And today we are discussing a Rolex Certified Pre-Owned Oyster Perpetual Cosmograph Daytona in full platinum. This is the 116506, very similar to the anniversary watch that came out in 13, but with the added refinement of diamond indices on the dial. So 40 millimeters in diameter. The watch is beautifully proportioned, as we have 12.2 millimeters of thickness. And then from lug tip to lug tip, if we're just measuring the case, not the end links, it's 47.7 millimeters. If we add the solid end links to the bracelet, total distance across the wrist now 52.2, and there's a 20 millimeter spacing between the lugs. We'll pop open the clasp, which is double locking, and you will be able to see that the watch fits well on my 16 centimeter circumference wrist. It is quite broad. For a 40 millimeter watch, the end links give it a large stance. So if you want a larger watch than 40, it's worth your while to give the Daytona a shot, because with the solid end links, you've got a broader stance and a watch with a lot more presence than 40 millimeters might suggest at face value. It is thin though. It'll slide under any cuff. It's not a tall watch. It's a massive one though. A watch that weighs well over 280 grams all up. Now, the timepiece is nicely balanced top to bottom. That's an important consideration with a very heavy watch, but the bracelet and the clasp, also made out of platinum, keep the watch from rolling or capsizing if you like to wear your watch loose. And my wrist 16 centimeters circumference, I could recommend this watch for a wrist as small as 14. The bracelet's beautiful. Rolex oyster style, conforming end link to mate it cleanly to the case, tapering links down toward the clasp. You can see here we have center links, which are polished. And then we have flanking links, which are satinated with outer faces polished. We have removable links in the bracelet, which you can see are fixed in place by screws. You can see there's a little partial link down at the end. We also have a 5 millimeter snap-in, snap-out, easy link tool-free adjustment system. And we'll move this little hang tag for a moment. You can see that there are 3 pairs of divots actually drilled inside the clasp, so you can use your strap tool to dismount the spring bar and change the anchoring point of the bracelet in and out. The bracelet also features a robust clasp, a combination of media blast and polish. You can see the spring-loaded beak and hook closure. This is the first lock. I mentioned this is double locking. That's lock number 1. That's lock number 2. Quite secure. There's a little kerf under the crown, so you could dig your nail in and pop open that clamshell. Very easy to use, very solid, thick gauge platinum. The case, also platinum. People always ask, what does the Caseback look like? Well, it looks like this. But consider this, it's like a big platinum medallion on the back of the watch instead of like a 30 Swiss franc sapphire. Precious metal is better. Also, solid Casebacks tend to make for thinner watches, which is what we have here. 12.2 millimeters is quite slim, especially considering the 3-day power reserve, automatic winding, and the chronograph function. We have this lovely chocolate brown Rolex cerachrom ceramic bezel, highly scratch resistant. You can see it features PVD deposit of platinum inside the little characters and indices on the tachymetric scales. Those will not tarnish, they won't oxidize or discolor. The watch features a 100-meter water-resistant case with 3 crowns that screw down. You can see this is a Rolex Platinum Triplock crown. This is not something you see too often, but you know it's a Platinum Triplock because it has 3 dots and the center one is small. We have screw-down crowns. Again, a 100-meter water-resistant watch, thoroughly swimmable. If you want to take a swim at Daytona Beach after watching the 24 hours on track. And to that end, the watch features a tachymetric scale for gauging the speed of an object, such as, let's watch this for a moment, a race car over a kilometer. So when the race car starts, the kilometer passes your first mark, you start the chronograph, and you leave the chronograph running until your race car reaches the second mark, which will be the end of the kilometer. And then at that point, you stop the chronograph seconds hand, you look at the number adjacent to the seconds hand, and then we have 400 kilometers per hour. That's a very, very fast race car. Now, taking a look at the dial, it is a lovely ice blue metallic sunburst. Ice blue has been a color Rolex has long associated exclusively with its platinum watches. Now, the saturation of that blue seems to have increased over time, but it remains an exclusive for a platinum Rolex. So we have it here. You can see that there's azurage or concentric patterns on each register, and they contain inner and outer polished chapterings. Then we have the diamond indices themselves, which are on solid gold index mounts, and white gold hands, as well as Rolex coronets. These elements will never oxidize or tarnish finish with time. The watch does feature a hacking or stop seconds function. When you pull the crown out to set it precisely, it stops the balance, so you can synchronize the watch to the second. Remember, we do have running seconds down at the base, so you can do that even when the chronograph's not in action. We have column wheel chronograph function selection, which means a very positive, sharp, and crisp actuation. Also, you can hear it. It's a sharp tick. It's very pleasing. A quick look at how much luminescence you get. You do get a little bit. That's Rolex's proprietary chromolite blue lume. Rolex uses a vertical clutch on its caliber 4130 chronograph movement, and that means when you start up the chronograph, watch the seconds hand, it commences, but it does not leap. A lateral clutch would leap. A vertical clutch is seamless. Another advantage of a vertical clutch is you can just leave it running full time. There's no additional wear and tear to the movement. Inside, you have Rolex caliber 4130, 44 joules, 4 hertz, chronometer certified. In fact, it is a superlative chronometer, meaning Rolex will attest that it keeps time no worse than -2 + 2 seconds per 24 hours. Bidirectional automatic winding via a rotor on ball bearings, a 72-hour power reserve. The watch features that combination of vertical clutch and column wheel. It's also got a full balance bridge and a free-sprung balance for shock resistance. A blue oxidized niobium zirconium anti-magnetic hairspring Rolex calls cerachrom blue. That is for anti-magnetic qualities. And then that overcoil hairspring is a brigade profile shaped by hand that makes the watch isochronous, or a consistent timekeeper in any physical orientation with respect to gravity. And even after years of ownership, you'll lift it in the hand and marvel at how massive and impressive it is. If you believe a watch should feel its price and pedigree, look no further. Reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. Rolex Certified Pre-Owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex Certified standard, and any parts invested, Rolex Factory Original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a Certified Pre-Owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note, this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company, the certified pre-owned program, care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.